Hey guys, welcome back to another Writers Wednesday. Today I'm doing something a little bit different and I'm just going to do a short, easy, quick video. I'm doing an office tour of my office, I guess, just for you guys to see kind of like my daily environment and like where I work and stuff that's helping me be creative and write. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. So starting off, this is just like a quick scan of our office. Hello, giant wiggly arm. Just for you guys to get a sense of space. And I think I share this office with my husband, clearly. So let's just split this room in half. This is my chair, and oh my god, let me just tell you this. If you don't have a gaming chair or something this comfortable for you while you're writing, what are you even doing? It's a little expensive, but it's definitely worth the investment. This is my Squirtle pillow that I've had literally since childbirth. And he just kind of sits with me and writes with me. But the great thing about this chair is that that little pad that's serving as his pillow right now is actually a massage thing, so it vibrates. So also, like, if you're sitting at your computer all day, you're gonna need someplace that's comfortable for you. I am also canonically bisexual, so I sit funny in chairs all the time. I cross my legs, do whatever. This is a wide enough seat, not just for my fat ass, but also for like my weird leg placements. And it's still really comfy. It reclines, it moves around, it's great. I love this. So if you're a writer, I really think you should invest in a good office chair. But even beyond that, like if you want to get like a gaming chair, that would probably be like mint, yeah. And then we also have my desk. I posted pictures of my office on Instagram before, or at least on my writer's Instagram, but I figured I'd give you a close-up inspection. It's kind of all over the place right now, hence that. But here I just have notebooks laid out for, just video ideas or writing ideas, whatever I want to jot down for books and stuff. I also take notes in this. Underneath, we have my newspaper article that I've been meaning to get framed and actually put on the wall, but that's on the to be determined list. More notebooks, business cards for local bookstores around here when I went out talking. Obviously, my book is here. This is one of the damaged stock I have, so now it's like permanently mine. But that's okay because it's still readable. It's just the cover's not as cute. So I didn't feel comfortable selling this, so that's why I'm keeping it. This is the microphone I have for my videos. Normally I would use the microphone for videos, but because I'm recording on my phone like this, I'm not using a microphone, so if the audio is different, that's why. I also have water. It's super important to stay hydrated. My laptop covered in Animal Crossing stickers. I've been meaning to get a new laptop because this one is just so old. And it's like not strong enough for all my editing and stuff on my videos. It's getting really run down. But in terms of just writing, like this is a great, option for you. I have my mirror because I like looking at myself and sometimes I need to stare off into the void. And if I do it at my husband, he might get weirded out. So this is why that's there. Also for makeup videos and stuff, it's handy to have a mirror. This is my lighting station for my videos, and I can put my phone up there. If I don't want to put the phone there, I put the phone there for conference calls and stuff like that. We have stickers, and then we have another copy of Cursed Fate lying around. This is an Amazon copy, and also I use that just for reference point because I'm writing the sequel, and sometimes I forget what's what. But yeah, this is my bookshelf. Please pardon all the toolkits and everything that's going on here. But this is our bookshelf. This is a mix of books for me and books for my husband, as you can tell with all like the coding stuff and all of his Star Wars stuff. But there is like manga and everything else for me. Old textbooks, a bunch of cooking books, some witchcraft. Just to clarify, I am not Wiccan. That was a gift. I am not Wiccan, nor do I plan to be Wiccan, but I do practice witchcraft. But yeah, just a clarification. And that's right underneath the Virgin Mary. So we are diverse in this house. Husband stuff. Oh, these are the bugs I drew. hang on, let me go a little bit closer. These are some bugs that I drew. I like drawing. I like drawing bugs. So they're all up there on the side. This is also my corner. Right now it's being occupied by a chair that still needs to be built for our dining room table, but eventually I want to get like a reading nook set up in here and have like a little loungy chair. I think that'd be really cute, and I think it'd be a cute place to also film in. And then going up, we have my paintings of my puppy dogs, S'mores and Rollo. And then above that, we have my Pokemon doll collection. Basically, everything that makes me happy in this one room. And it's nice to have close to me because, I mean, it keeps me feeling funky, fresh, creative, and bright. So, yeah, that's basically our office in a nutshell. Oh, and of course, there's the Cursed Fate poster for my first book signing. It's in the background for most of my videos now. And I'm planning to put the newspaper there. Hopefully, I can fill this whole wall with posters of future books and stuff too. But right now, this is what we're looking like. So yeah, that's what my office is looking like now. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it fulfilled some of your curiosities. I'm sorry I don't have a longer video for you today. Most of my Writers Wednesdays are pretty long, like 20 minutes at least. But I just haven't been feeling well. I think I have a really bad head cold. I'm just not in the right space to do it. But next week I'll have more actual content for you guys. I'm planning to write more about, how to write scary scenes and all this other kind of stuff for next week. Especially since we're going into spooky season. I feel like a lot of you guys might enjoy that kind of content. But, just stick around. I did a whole tour of my apartment a few days ago on my channel. If you're interested in that, feel free to watch it too. But in the meantime, if you could like this video, comment down below, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel, that would be amazing. That would help me out a lot. I would really, really appreciate it. And until next time, thanks. Bye.